Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start now, open the Velvet Room and check the fusion chart to identify the simplest fusion route to take Mikazuchi. Pick components that match the Arcana combination required. You need specific inherit skills, so prioritize personas carrying those moves. Once chosen, fuse the two lowest cost components first to preserve levels and bank yen. Make sure to confirm resulting skills on screen so you don't waste materials. If you lack an exact pair, plan a quick side fusion to produce the missing component. Now execute the chain fusions. Select the first pair, watch the predicted outcome, and accept only if the resulting persona will be useful as the next component. Once done, repeat using that intermediate persona plus the next ingredient to climb Arcana rules toward take Mikazuchi. Make sure to assign inherit skills deliberately. Choose one or two that complement Mikazuchi's kit. As you proceed, confirm the final fusions level and stats spread so you avoid overshooting the target and wasting resources. Finish by reviewing the final persona skills and stats and save immediately. Velvet Room fusions are irreversible without compendium use. If the result lacks a desired skill, retrace steps, reload save, alter the inherit donor, or perform a small preparatory fusion to change the inheritance pool. If you run out of yen or materials, register and then resummon saved personas from the compendium to rebuild the fusion path. One tip: if inheritance fails repeatedly, swap one donor for a persona.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.